Hey everyone, let us check out this amazing Teak folding shower seat that brings safety and comfort to your daily routine. Crafted from durable teak wood, it handles moisture effortlessly while adding a touch of elegance to any bathroom. The sturdy silver aluminum frame supports up to 400 pounds with absolute stability. This clever wall-mounted design folds down easily when you need it and stays out of the way when you do not. It is the perfect space-saving solution for small bathrooms and individuals with limited mobility. Upgrade your shower experience today and enjoy peace of mind every single time you wash. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.